ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ PPT ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಸರ್? ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Yes, welcome to the class. Today, we are going to discuss, we will start with one of the interesting topic, that is pair of linear equation in two variable. Yes, my dear students, already you have learned about this chapter, right? So, this is one of the interesting topic and also easy topic, right? So, ಇದು interesting ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು easy ಇದೆ. So, next. Pair of linear equations. So our topic name is the pair of linear equations in two variables, right? So linear equation ide, along with the linear equations, it contains two variables. That means linear equation with two variables, and if it is a two equations, then we call it as a pair of linear equations. Yes. Before going to start the pair of linear equations, first we should know what do you mean by linear equation. Yes. So namge linear equation andre enu anta gottirbeku. Then only we can learn about the pair of linear equation, right? So first, what do you mean by linear equation? So linear equation antandre enu? In the polynomial chapter, we learnt about the what I mean by polynomial, types of polynomial, right? So linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, right? So with the help of that polynomials, we are going to discuss about the equations, right? So what do you mean by linear equation? See, linear equation with one variable. The algebraic equation of the type ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is real number. A and b are real numbers and x is a variable, is called linear equation of one variable. See, for example, see, this is ax plus b equal to 0. So in case of polynomial, we are not going to write ax plus b equal to 0 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ polynomial ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So only ax plus b, this is the standard form of linear polynomial. But here, when you write the polynomial with equal to sign, ಅಲ್ಲಿ equal to sign ಅನ್ನ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then it will be equation. So, for example, see, if I write 2x plus 1, okay, this is a polynomial. But if I write this 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then it is an equation. So what is the difference between polynomial and equation? In case of polynomial, we are not going to use equal to sign. But here, we are using equal to sign, right? So ax plus b, this is the ax plus b equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation. Why it is called as linear equation? Because the variable power is 1. How many variables are there in this equation? Only one variable, right? So x is only one variable. It has only one variable. Therefore, we call this equation as the linear equation with one variable. Yes, ಒಂದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Therefore, we call this as a linear equation of one variable, right? So x is a variable here, and a and b are real numbers. So a and b are real numbers. So remember, my dear children, a, b, c are real numbers in the equation. A, b, c are real numbers. Okay. Now, if when ax plus b equal to 0, it is a linear equation. But one condition is there. That is, a is not equal to 0. When a becomes 0, what will happen? See, when a becomes 0, ax plus b equal to 0. When a becomes 0, what will happen? 0 into x plus b equal to 0. That means 0 into x is 0 only. B is equal to 0 only. We will get b is equal to 0. Is it a linear equation? No, it is not a linear equation, but it is a term. That means if a becomes 0, we will not get linear equation. We get only term. But for linear equation, we need A is not equal to 0. That means we need the value of A. If it is 0, then it is a term agate. Adu linear equation agodilla. Therefore, condition is A is not equal to 0. Yes. So, this is a linear equation with one variable. Next. The linear equation of one variable, these type of equations having only one solution. Here one word is there, that is solution. So my dear children, what do you mean by solutions? Yes, anybody? What do you mean by solution? Have you heard the name solutions? Yes. Solutions. Solutions means what? See, for example, if I write, I will change the color. Yes. See, if I write x plus 7 equal to 0, right? X plus 7 equal to 0. That means in this case, it contains three parts. So equation contains three parts. That is, one is LHS part, left hand side, and this is equal to sign. Okay. And next, this is RHS part. Okay. RHS part. That means equation has three parts. One is LHS part, one is equal to sign, and another one is RHS part. So, ishtu namge gottide. Then what do you mean by solution? See, x plus 7 equal to 0 is there. So, in which value of the x, our LHS part will become equal to RHS part. That means, ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಅಲ್ಲಿ you will get LHS is equal to RHS. That means RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? RHS value is 0. So in which value of the x LHS becomes equal to RHS? So if I write minus 7 plus 7, what will happen? Yes, minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. That means minus 7 plus 7, it is 0 only. 0 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Right? So LHS is equal to RHS. That means in which value of the x? X is equal to minus 7. If I substitute x is equal to minus 7, then only I can get the LHS is equal to RHS. Then I can say that this linear equation, it has how many solution? One solution. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? ನೋ. So it has only one solution in case of linear equation with one variable. So is it clear? What do you mean by solution? So solution means what? In which value of the x? X means it is a variable. In which value of the x, LHS part becomes equal to RHS part. So every time RHS part 0 ne ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. There may be any number. Okay. So ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ LHS is equal to RHS, same result ಬರಬೇಕು. That value we call it as a solution. So in case of linear, it has only one solution. In case of quadratic equation, it has two solutions. So when you call the equation as a quadratic, when the variable power is 2, then you call it as a quadratic equation. So ax plus b equal to 0. This is a linear equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation with one variable. I am telling with one variable. Okay. Next, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then equal to 0. Then it is a cubic equation. Right? So it is a linear, it is a quadratic, and if the variable highest power of the variable is 3, then it is called as cubic equation. Okay. Now these all are the standard forms of linear equation, quadratic equation, and cubic equation. Yes. Now let's come to the point that pair of linear equation. So now we know what do you mean by linear equation. Linear equation andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Then what do you mean by pair of linear equation in two variables? So just now we saw the linear equation with one variable. But here pair of linear. Pair means there are two equations are there and that equations contain two variables. Yes. See, for example, 2x plus 3 equal to 5. This is one equation. Here two variables are there, right? So one is x, another one is y. You are seeing two variables here. X minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Next, x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now I am writing two equations with two variables and these two equations are of the type of linear equations because the variable power is 1 here. Therefore, these two are linear equations. And how many variables it has? It has two variables. Therefore, we call it as a pair of linear equations. ಎರಡು equations ಅನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿತೀರಾ. ಆ ಎರಡು equations ಅಲ್ಲಿ variables ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. That is x and y variables we are using here. Therefore, we call it as a pair of linear equations in two variable. An equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. So this is very important. A, b, c are real number. A and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. A solution of such an equation is a pair of values for one for x and other for y, which makes the two sides of equation equal. See, that only I told. What do you mean by solution? Which makes the LHS part and RHS part equal, right? So now we are, yes. So these all about the pair of linear equations. Next, pair of linear equations ಅಲ್ಲಿ, see, this is the example for pair of linear equation, right? So these two linear equations are in the same two variables x and y, right? Equations like these are called a pair of linear equation in two variables. Next comes general form of linear equation. Yes, this is a1x plus b1y plus c1. This is a2x plus b2y plus c2. So general form of pair of linear equations in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. That means we are using two variables. So first equation, we represent the coefficients by a1, b1 and c1, right? In next equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is the general form of pair of linear equations, right? So here a1, a2 and b1, b2 and c1, c2 are real numbers. Okay, real numbers. Next, these all are examples for pair of linear equations. Any examples you can give, right? So a1, b1, c1. If a1 becomes 0, b1 becomes 0, what will happen? It is not, means only c remains. That means only we will get term. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? a1 and b1 is not equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? So this is about the pair of linear equations in two variables, right? Now, another important part, what we are going to discuss in this chapter is, see, in this chapter, we are going to discuss, we are going to study about the solutions, finding the solutions, right? In two ways, we are going to find out the solutions for pair of linear equations. That is solutions. One method is graphical method. Another one is algebraic method. So now ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ solutions ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First one is a graphical method and another one is a algebraic method. So in algebraic method, we are going to study again three methods. That is, ಈ algebraic method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ three methods ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is substitution method, right? Substitution method, elimination method. Okay, elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. Multiplication method. Right. So how many methods are there to find out the solutions for pair of linear equations? Here we are going to use two methods. That is, one is graphical method, another one is algebraic method. In algebraic method, again three methods are there. That is substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. So this year cross multiplication method is deleted. So we are going to study only two methods. That is substitution method and elimination method. Okay, so now we'll study about the very important things. That is, here two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. See, if you draw one graph, okay, here pair of linear equations are there. That means we are getting two lines. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ pair of linear equations ಇದೆ. Pair ಇದ್ದಾಗ how many lines you will get? Two lines in the graph. So ಆ two lines graph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? There are three possibilities. So one possibility is both the lines will intersect at particular point. That means, see here, one line, it is another line. These two lines will intersect or intersect at a meet, or you can say it is meet. These two lines will meet at a particular point, and this point we call it as a solution of that equation, right? Solution of that equation. Next, the two lines, again another chance. What is next? Two lines will not intersect. Huh? Another chance is there. That means here two lines will not intersect. That means they are parallel. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು intersect ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? That two lines are parallel, right? So parallel ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Next, the two lines will be coincident. Third chance, this is third possibility. Two lines are coincident, or you can say it is overlapping on one another. ಒಂದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, coincident, right? So these three possibilities we will get. Okay, next. So based on that possibilities, we can find out the solutions, and we can also find out the nature of that graph, right? So here comparing the ratios, another important thing is comparing the ratios. So every time ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ we can find out by comparing the ratios also. So it is first equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Right. So when you compare the ratios, what you will get? a1 divided by a2. Okay, a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. So a1 divided by a2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ a1 divided by a2. ಆವಾಗ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ b1 divided by b2. ಸೊ b1 divided by b2 and a1 divided by a2 are not equal. Then you can say that a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, right? So when you get this result, the representing on graph, that means there are intersecting each other. ಈ ತರಹ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ two lines are intersecting each other, right? Next, how many solutions it has? It has unique solution, that we call it as a unique solution. Okay, this is very important, and this question may ask in MCQ question. So how many solutions it has? Unique solution. Consistency, is it consistent or inconsistent or dependent? So it is a consistent. when you get the result A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2, then the graph is intersecting each other and the algebraic solution is unique solution and it is a consistent. Remember, second case, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That means all the ratios are equal. All the ratios are equal. Ratios means what? Comparing. Right? So ratios andre ಏನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ A1 divided by A2, B1 divided by B2, C1 divided by C2. So if you get the result A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That means all the ratios are equal here. Then representing on graph, then how the lines will be? Lines are coincident, right? So ಒಂದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು overlap ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, coincide ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So coincident lines you will get. Next, algebraic solution. How many solutions it has? It has infinite solution. Remember, this is also very, very important. How many solutions it has? It has infinite number of solutions. Okay. And the graph is dependent. So dependent. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು depend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is nature of the lines. Graph is dependent. Next, when you get the result A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. That means E value ಮತ್ತೆ E value same ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So for example, A1 divided by A2 is 1 divided by 2 and B1 divided by B2 is also 1 divided by 2. But C1 divided by C2 is 3 divided by 2. Then you can say that A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Then the two lines are parallel lines. Okay, avaga yava taraha line sigatte nimge? You will get parallel lines. And how many solutions it has? There is no solutions. Okay, and the graph is inconsistent. So when the graph is consistent, when the lines are intersecting each other, when the graph is dependent, when the lines are dependent, when the two lines are coincident, when the lines are inconsistent, when parallel lines, when you will get parallel lines, that time the lines or graph is inconsistent. Okay, this is very, very important. Next, based on this concept, we are going to discuss some MCQ questions. Okay, all are ready? Yes. So first question is, if two equations have exactly one solution and are in the form A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. See, this is A1 divided by A2. This is B1 divided by B2. Then they are, okay. So equations are having the exactly one solution. How many solutions it has? Only one solution, right? So this is very important. MCQ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು? First question ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. How many solutions are there? Only one solution. That means it is one solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ unique. So ಅವಾಗ result ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? You will get the result A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2 they have given. Then they are coincident lines or intersecting lines or transverse line or parallel lines. Which type of lines you will get? Is it a coincident or is it a parallel or is it transverse or intersecting? Yes, the two lines are intersecting, right? So when two lines are intersecting, then only you will get this type of result. Next, if two equations have no solutions, this is very important. When two equations have no solutions and are in the form A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2, then they are, again it is a coincident lines or intersecting lines, transversal line or parallel line. Yes, ee taraha result bandre that lines are parallel lines, right? So that lines are parallel lines. Next, in the general form of pair of linear equations A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0, where A1, B1, A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 are. Already I have told you that is A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 all are real numbers. Yes. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ equation ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ you will get real numbers. That means coefficients of x and y and c are real numbers. Means it may be anything. It may be whole number, it may be natural numbers, or it may be integers, or it may be a rational number or irrational numbers. Any number you will get. Okay. So A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are real numbers. Next. The coach of a cricket team buy 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 2 more balls of the same kind for 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically. That means it is in the form, it is in the statement form. We need to write this in the form of equation. So equation alli baribeku ನಾವು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀರಾ? See here, 3 bats are there, 6 balls are there. That means bats and balls are there. So we will consider bats is equal to x. Let's consider bats is equal to x. And ball ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So cricket team buys 3 bats, that is 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. This is one equation. Another one, later she buys another bat. How many bat? Only one bat. Another bat means only one bat is there. That is x plus 2 more balls. 2 more balls ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. But bat ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ. So 2y, 2 more ball means 2y is equal to 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically. So you have to represent like this. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Right? Yes. Understood? Next. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then the lines are, see, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then the lines are whether it is a coincident or intersecting or transversal or parallel. Yes, my dear students, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? Which type, which result you will get? Yes. So when you get this type of questions, how you are going to solve this question? So first we need to compare the ratios, right? So ratios enide, this is a1x and b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And this equation is in the form of a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So now what we need to do? We need to compare the values of a1 and a2. Compare the ratios. So a1 divided by a2, what you will get? a1 divided by a2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? So a1 value is how much here? a1 value is 1. Nothing is there means 1. 1 divided by a2 value is 2. That means 1 divided by 2. b1 divided by b2. If you do b1 divided by b2, what you will get? So b1 value is 2 and b2 value is 4 here, right? 2 ones are 2 twos are. Again you will get 1 divided by 2, right? Next, compare c1 divided by c2. c1 value is minus 4 and c2 value is minus 12. Minus 4 divided by minus 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are, right? Minus minus will get cancelled. So what you will get finally? 1 divided by 3. So now compare all the ratios. Whether you will get same ratios or you will get a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2. Yes, here a1 divided by a2 is 1 divided by 2, right? Next, b1 divided by b2 is 1 divided by 2. c1 divided by c2 is 1 divided by 3. That means we got the result A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Why? Because C1 divided by C2 is 1 divided by 3. Okay. So if you get this result, ಅವಾಗ lines ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Which type of lines, which type of graph you will get? So lines are parallel, right? So lines are parallel. Next, see if the lines 3x plus 2ky minus 2 equal to 0, right? And 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0 are parallel. Okay, they told parallel. Then the value of k ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So value of k is 4 divided by 15 or 15 divided by 4 or 4 divided by 5 or 5 divided by 4. Yes, I will give you time. Yes. So try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Yes. Chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. I will bet. If the lines are parallel, so condition ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? They told the lines are parallel. That means if the lines are parallel, the condition is A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. Yes, is it a parallel? No, when the lines are parallel, then A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Yes. So, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? What is the value of k then? Is it 4 divided by 15 or 15 divided by 4 or 4 divided by 5 or 5 divided by 4? Yes. So I will wait. ನಾನು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನ? Yes. See, first write the equations. 3x plus 2ky minus 2 equal to 0, right? Another equation is 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0, right? So, first compare the ratios. A1 divided by A2. Wait. A1 divided by A2. What you will get? A1 value is 3 and B1 value is 2. Sorry, A2 value is 2. 3 divided by 2. Next, B1 divided by B2. So, B1 value is 2k and B2 value is 5. Yes, we need to find out the value of k. So, keep as it is. C1 divided by C2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? C1 divided by C2 minus 2 divided by 1, that means minus 2. Okay, so ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 ಬೇಕು, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. So C1 divided by C2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? That is minus 2. So A1 divided by A2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Clear? But ನಮಗೆ B1 divided by B2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? A1 divided by A2 value is 3 by 2. ನಮಗೆ B1 divided by B2 ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 3 divided by 2 ಬೇಕು. So 3 divided by 2 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ which value you are going to substitute here? Yes, that is the value of k. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೇನಾ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ? So nange I want the result 3 divided by 2. So for that, which value I am going to substitute in place of k so that I can get the result 3 divided by 2. Yes. Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So we'll try through the options. So options through try ಮಾಡೋಣ. First option is 4 divided by 15. So when you substitute 4 divided by 15 in place of k, 4 divided by 15, here 5 is there. So 8 divided by 75 you will get, right? Next, so 8 divided by 75, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು 3 divided by 2. So this is not correct. It is wrong. Next one. Here I will do 2k divided by 5. 2 into 15 divided by 5 into 4. That is 30 divided by 20. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. Finally, you will get 3 divided by 2. So we want this result, right? So we want this result. Therefore, option B is right. If you want, you can check with other option. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 divided by 5 ಇದೆ. So 2k divided by 5. So k means 4 divided by 5 into 5, 8 divided by 25. Again, you will get 8 divided by 25. But what we want only 3 divided by 2. So ಈ 3 divided by 2 ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is option B, right? 15 divided by 4. Option B is right. Therefore, k value is 15 divided by 4. Understood? Yes, is that clear? Okay. Next one. The solution of the equation x minus 2, x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4 are, yes, solution of the equation x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. So these two are equations. So when you compare the ratios, what you will get? So here we want solutions. We are not going to compare the ratios by doing substitution, or you can do it by elimination method. So now elimination method in the madana, finding the solutions by substitution or elimination method. So elimination method is very simple. So here minus y is there, here plus y is there. Therefore 2y will get cancelled. What remains here? 2x is equal to 4 plus 2, it is 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. That means x value is 3 here. Okay, x value is 3. Then what is the value of y? For that, we need to substitute the value of x in equation 1 or 2. Any equation, ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನಾವು substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. So if we substitute the value of x in equation number 1, what you will get? X minus y. 3 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2. Transfer this 3 to this side. It becomes minus 3. Minus y is equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled. Finally, you will get y is equal to 1. That means x value is 3 and y value is 1. Therefore, 3, 1. We solutions are 3 and 1. So ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು? Option A, 3 and 1. So option A is right. Okay. Next one. If x is equal to A, y is equal to B, is the solution of the equation x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. Then the value of A and B. So again it is same. So last question anna ಹೀಗೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. It can be asked like this also. So if x is equal to A and y is equal to B, then x minus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. Then the value of A and B. A and B means x is A minus B is equal to 2 and x is A plus y is B is equal to 4. So B and B will get cancelled. Minus and plus is there. So A plus A, it is 2A is equal to 4 plus 2, it is 6. Again, you will get same result, 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. A is equal to 3. And substitute in equation number 1 or 2. So equation number 1, substitute the value of A in equation number 1. What you will get? 3 minus b equal to 2. So transfer this 3 to this side. You will get minus b is equal to 2 minus 3. Same. Now, hinde madiddu same. Minus 1 minus minus will get cancelled. B is equal to 1. So you will get two values. That is A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 1. So 3 and 1. So option C is right. Next, a pair of linear equations with infinitely many solutions. So when you will get infinitely many solutions? Yes. A pair of linear equations with infinitely many solutions. So for that, we need to calculate all the, means we need to compare all the ratios. Ella equations anna solve ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. First ನಮಗೆ we want infinitely many solutions. When you will get infinitely many solutions? When both the lines are coincident, then you will get infinitely many solutions. So for that, we need the condition a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. So ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ when you will get this result, so that equation is the correct answer. Okay, so first one is 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. So compare a1 divided by a2, that is 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. b1 divided by b2 is minus 3 divided by 3. So you will get minus 1. So this is not correct. Why? Because we want result 1. Nimge a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you need 1. So here minus 1 is there. Therefore a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. So this option is wrong. Next, 3x minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. B, 3x minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. So again, compare a1 divided by a2, that is 3 divided by 3, you will get 1. b1 divided by b2, b1 value is minus 4 and b2 value is minus 4. What you will get? 1. Here a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2. Yes, correct. Next check c1 divided by c2. c1 divided by c2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. So then only it is correct. c1 divided by c2. c1 value is minus 6. c2 value is plus 6, right? So what you will get finally? You will get minus 1. Therefore, you can say that a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, but it is not equal to c1 divided by c2. Therefore, this option is also wrong. Next, check this option. C, x minus y plus 10 equal to 0, x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. Yes. So, a1 divided by a2, a1 value is 1, b1 value is 1, a2 value is 1. So, 1, b1 divided by b2, b1 value is minus 1, b2 value is minus 1. See, b1 value is minus 1 and b2 value is also minus 1. Finally, minus minus will get cancelled, 1, 1. So, you will get 1 only. C1 divided by C2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? C1 value is 10 and C2 value is 10. So, 10 ones are 10 ones are. That means you will get 1. In this case, you are going to get the result a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. So, e condition bandre, you will have infinitely many solutions. So, when the two lines are coincident, so one line is overlapping on another line, then you will get infinitely many solutions. Therefore, option C is right. Understood? Yes, got the point? Next question. The pair of linear equations 5x plus 10y is equal to 12 and 15x plus 30y. See, this is 15x plus 30y is equal to 10. Have unique solution or infinitely many solution or no solutions or two solutions. Yes, how many solutions it has? 5x plus 10y is equal to 12. 15x plus 30y is equal to 10. Yes, again compare the ratios a1 divided by a2, 5 divided by 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are, that means 1 divided by 3. b1 divided by b2, So when you calculate B1 divided by B2, B1 value is 10, B2 value is 30. So again you will get 1 divided by 3. Check C1 divided by C2. 12 divided by 10. 2 6 are 2 5 are. Therefore, you will get 6 divided by 5. That means here A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. So when you get this result, C1 divided by C2, how many solutions it has? Yes. So ಇದು ಯಾವ condition ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? When two lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel, then you will get this result. When two lines are parallel, there is no solutions. Therefore, no solution. Right? Yes. Understood? Yes, got the point? Another question is that the pair of linear equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 are. Yes, it is consistent or dependent or inconsistent or independent. Which type of pairs you will get? 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. So this is A1, A2, B1, B2. This is C1, C2. So check A1 divided by A2. A1 is 2, B2 is 3. B1 divided by B2, minus 3 divided by 2. So no need to check C1 divided by C2. Why? Because here A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. Illi nimge whatever you will get the result, these two are same. No, these two are not same. Therefore, we can say that A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. So when you get this result, the pairs are consistent. Why? Because it has unique solution and the lines are intersecting each other. Therefore, it is consistent. Next. So this question can be asked for 3 marks. Okay. So 2 mark alli nimge en baratte substitution method. By using substitution method, find out the solution by using substitution method and elimination method. So that questions can be asked for 2 marks. Okay. So this question can be asked for 3 marks, sometimes 2 marks, but generally 3 marks. The difference between two numbers, see from the pair of linear equation for the following problem and find their solution by using substitution method. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you have to use that method only. Okay, here we are using substitution method. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Okay, so we will make two groups. That is, first this is one part, this is one part and this is second part. So difference between two numbers is 26. Let's consider two numbers be. Consider two numbers be x and y. Be x and y. So difference between two numbers. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y is greater than x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in that case, so ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, y minus x is equal to 26 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, difference between two numbers. Okay, next. Next part, one number is 3 times the other. So if you consider y is one number, this y is 3 times the other number. Means ಒಂದು number ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು number ಇನ್ನ 3 times ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. That means you are going to write y is equal to 3x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So which method you are using here? Substitution method. Here y is equal to 3x. That means you are substituting y is equal to 3x in equation number 1. So substitute value of y in equation number 1. What you will get? y is 3x. 3x minus x is equal to 26. 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 26. So x is equal to 26 divided by, transfer this 2 to this side. 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means x is equal to 12. Next, we want two values, x and y. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. So ನಮಗೆ y value ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what you will do? You will substitute the value of x in equation number 2. So substitute value of x in equation number 2. Then you will get y value. Y is equal to 3 into 12. So y is equal to 12 threes are 36. Therefore, two numbers are x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 36. These two are two numbers. Okay. Next. One ನಿಮಿಷ. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method. So this question can be asked for 2 marks. So this is very simple. See, elimination method, they are mentioned here. Elimination, use elimination method. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. 9x equal to 2y plus 7. This is our question. So what we will do? 3x minus 5y, transfer this minus 4 to this side, it becomes plus 4, right? Next, 9x, transfer this 2y to this side, it becomes minus 2y is equal to 7. So now do elimination method. So elimination method ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Two variables values ಅನ್ನ equal ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then only you will eliminate one value. So y ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, x ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So when you multiply equation number 1, call this as equation number 2. So when you multiply equation 1 by 3, then you will get 9x here. So here also 9x is there. So 3 3s are 9, 9x, 9x means you will get, you will eliminate x. ಹೌದಾ? So now x or y ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ eliminate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? When you multiply with 3, you will get 9. So 9x will get eliminate. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? When you multiply this equation by 3, 3 into 3, it is 9x minus 5 3s are 15. Y is equal to 4 3s are 12. So second equation is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now observe here, here also plus is there, here also plus is there. When the signs are same, we cannot eliminate, we cannot cancel. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದು eliminate ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, so we need to change the signs. So here minus plus minus. Next, x and x will get cancelled. Here minus 15 is there, here plus 2 is there. Therefore minus 15 plus 2. Minus 13y is equal to 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, it is 5. So y is equal to, transfer this minus 15 to this side, 5 divided by 13. One minute. Yes, screen ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay. Minus 5 divided by 13. Y value is minus 5 divided by 13 you will get. So substitute the value of y in equation number 1 or 2. So this is equation number 1, this is 2. So I will substitute equation number 2. Okay. Substitute the value of y in equation number 2. What you will get? 9x minus 2 into minus 5 divided by 13 is equal to 7. So 9x minus into minus plus 5 to the 10 divided by 13 is equal to 7. Right? So 13 into 9. 107 plus x plus 10 divided by 13 is equal to 7. So transfer this 13 to this side. What you will get? 13 into 7. So 13 into 7 is 91. Right? So 107x. Wait. Yes. 107x plus 10 is equal to 91. So 107x is equal to 91 minus 10. So x is equal to 81 divided by 107. X is equal to, when you do the division, what you will get? ಸಾರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.